guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing eco-friendly DIY tutorials, the jewelries, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful earrings using air dry clay and paper clay. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. So simple, so easy, and I'm gonna show this particular earrings on how to make. So let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we will gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also guys, if you're looking forward to make an amazing jewelry earrings for your own business or for your personal use, for your family use, or maybe for gifting to someone else, then I have a clay earrings clay pattern in the description box below, which you can very well download it. It contains cool and amazing earrings clay ideas, patterns, a lot more is there, which you can very well take a look at that, take a print out of that, use those patterns, use those earrings designs for making your own earrings, whether it's for business, for personal use, or for gifting it for someone else. So I'm gonna leave the link of that particular clay earrings ideas pattern digital download in the description box below. You can very well download it for yourself and you can use it for making your beautiful earrings. It's without further ado, let's get straight with the tutorial. First of all, what are the materials required? You're gonna be needing this paper and air dry clay mixture. I have already shown in my video before on how to make a paper and air dry clay mixture. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. So you would be needing paper and air dry clay mixture, then some tools to work upon. You're gonna need some shape cutters. I'm using these ones. You can use cookie cutters. You're gonna need a wire for making the wire elements, pliers, and this extra container for anything, water. And you're gonna also need colors. So these we have finished with these earrings. I'm going to leave it drying for 1 or 2 days and then we will going to color them. I've created the hole in them, so I'm going to leave it drying and then we will going to color them once they are completely dry. So yeah. Earrings are completely dry, so now we are going to color them. I'm gonna be using vegan natural organic nail paint that is chemical free. I'm gonna be using organic nail paint for coloring them. You can use whatever color you have, it's just an optional. If you don't want to color them, you can leave it like that only. It depends on you, but it's completely dry, so I'm gonna be using an organic vegan nail paint to color them. So let's get started with. Result of these beautiful earrings. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you want more such video in the future? Consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we're gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. But I'm gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.